Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. Hope you're all doing well today. I just wanted to come on and share a journal with you guys that I made quite a few months ago. It's just been sitting on my shelf and I wasn't sure if I actually wanted to share it or not, but yeah, this journal was a bit difficult for me to complete. The biggest problem I had was what to do with the cover. But I do like it. It is fairly simple, but I do like the cover. So let's go ahead and get into this journal. So this journal measures 9 by 6. It has 2 signatures, 40 pages in each signature, front and back, with a total of 160 pages. It is closed with a hitch post fastener for the closure. And the kit I used in this particular journal was Spring Blooms Friendship by Denise at Wonderbar Crafts. So let's go ahead and get into this thing. So again, we just have the hitch post fastener. So on the front cover, this is a hardback book. And what I've done is I did cover it in some vintage fabric that I have. Put an image here, the word friend. Beautiful flower right here, lace. I really like this flower. And then a little keyhole there. And this is a vintage dolly that I put down the spine and wrapped it around the front and the back. So this is the back. And this, you guys, I have lots of vintage dollies, and this is the very first one that I have ever used. I kind of hoard those things and are afraid to use them. So, all right, so let's get into this. All right, so on the inside front cover, all I did was brought that fabric around and put one of her beautiful pages here. I did line this with some different fabric, and I did leave this loose on purpose in case you guys were wondering. I didn't really want to glue it down. I kind of like it like that. So this is the first page, one of her beautiful images from the book. And then here we have a double pocket. So in this one we have a journaling card. In the top pocket, or a tag, I'm sorry. Yep, a tag. Get it together, Lori, come on. And then in the bottom pocket, we have just a small journaling card. I did do some vintage lace here. And this I did do with a die cut and a low cluster of flowers here. And this I covered with some vintage music sheet. Another page from the book, from the kit, I'm sorry. And then here in this double pocket, we have another tag up here for journaling. And then a small journaling card in this pocket. And then I did put some vintage lace here. And a little cluster here with some cheesecloth and a couple of little flowers. And this is a tuck here. I just never put anything in that pocket. But you do have a little pocket here. Some coffee dyed paper. And this is a page out of a book. And for the life of me, I can't remember what book. But I really love those images in the book, so I put a couple of sheets of those in there. This is Denise's avocado dyed paper, and here we have some blue vintage lace that I put on the side. Another page from the kit, and then we have a dolly. And this paper right here, guys, is a very, very old paper. This color is the natural age of the paper, and since it was so fragile, I did have to put some washi tape down the side just to try and make it just a little bit more sturdy with sewing it into the signature. And then here we just have some paper and a little die cut. And then here we have a little pocket with a couple of little tags in here. And then this is just a little tuck on the side of the circle with a little sticker in there. Another page from the kit. I just absolutely love these pages. They are so beautiful. Love this kit. Paper. Another page from the book. And then here we have a side pocket. And I just have a couple of tickets in there. And then a couple of tags for journaling. Again, those are from the kit. Another beautiful page, such pretty blue. And this right here is a flip out And I put a little pocket in here with just a few pieces of things that could be journaled on, a little ticket. And then this right here is onion skin dyed paper. And just punch that out on the edge there. Here's a little pocket. This pocket is in the kit. Just a couple of little journaling cards in there. And then here we have this little up tuck, sorry. I guess you would call that. Not really sure what you call it. Maybe you guys can help me out with that. But it's just a little up tuck with a couple of little journaling cards in there. Another beautiful page from the kit. And then here I have this pocket, but at the top, and this right here is actually a fabric covered journaling card on the front. Little label there on the back, so that would be good for journaling on. And another page from the kit. And then this is the center of the signature. And then here I just have this paper clipped on. It's a little envelope. I just tucked a little card in there. And that just clips there with a paper clip. There we go. Another image from the kit. And there's some more of that lavender paper that's also in my Edith Holden journal. It's kind of textured, kind of feels like almost like a cloth instead of a paper. I really like that. I have another tuck up here at the top with just some journaling cards up there. Another page from the kit. And then this right here, I just did a side tuck and some vintage lace here. And I did pull the lace on out here so it would hang over. And we just have a tag and a big journaling card in there. And there's the other side of that page. Onion skin paper. And here is another pocket that's in the kit. And I just put a couple of journaling cards in there. And then we have another up tuck here with a little bit of vintage lace and a journaling card. Another image from the book. It's coffee dyed paper. And then we have a tuck down here with just a couple of journaling cards and a couple of tags. These tags are all from the kit. And another page from the book. And then here I just did some clustering down here. We've got some pink Kool-Aid dyed cheesecloth and just did devotion here. And again, we have another one of those little tuck spots in the circle. Just put a little stamp in there. And then we have a little pocket here. Just a little card. There's the other side of that paper, no dolly. Another image from the kit. Avocado dyed paper. The other side of the book page. And then here I put a belly band. Again, this is in the kit, and I just did some vintage lace here and did a journaling card and a tag there. Another page from the kit. And then here I just did a double pocket with a couple of journaling cards. There's one in there and one up here. And that's the end of the first signature. Now we get into the second signature. And then here's just a double pocket page. And up top we have a tag, again from the kit. Little cluster of blue flowers here. Die cut that I had cut out. Some vintage lace here. And then just a couple of journaling cards. Goes down in there. Another page from the book. I don't know why I keep calling it a book, guys. From the kit. I apologize. and some, it's too early for me, and some avocado dyed paper. I just love her paper. I can't get enough. Kind of hoarding it too. I'm a little bit afraid to use it. Another page from the kit. And then here we have a bottom tuck here with some journaling cards and a couple of tags from the kit in there. And another page from the kit. It's more coffee dyed paper and lace. I love this image from the kit. Butterfly just looks really vibrant. Here we have another double pocket with some vintage lace, a little cluster here with some cheesecloth. And in here we have one of the coin envelopes. There's a little card in there. And then another journaling card there. And here I just did a die cut and put the word courage. And then we have a journaling card up here. Some more page from the kit. And here is another flip out, and I just have a few little cards in there that can be journaled on. I just did a cutout here. Here's another pocket with 4 small journaling cards in it. I have an up tuck here with a pretty little journaling card there. And this was some, just some vintage ribbon I had gotten that I found at a estate sale. Do y'all see that? Look at how pretty that is. It's got yellow and pinks in it. You guys know how I love my pink. Another page from the kit. A little up tuck there with a big card in it. Lots of journaling space in this book. Then the dolly and some more of that antique paper. And then here we just have a little pocket here. Just a couple of little small tags in there. And then a little tuck spot here with a little stamp in there. Back side of that book page. Another page from the kit. And this is the center of the Sackett signature. The other side of that book page will be so cute. We have another little pocket here with just a couple of little things down in there. A little cluster here. And then another stamp there. The other side of that vintage paper. And dolly. Then over here we have a up tuck, and again this is just collage with fabric that I put on there, and then I backed it with this. Can't remember if this is from Rachel's embroidery kit or Sarah's. It's one of those. Just goes in there. Another beautiful page from the kit. And then we have a side pocket here with a big journaling card and a tag. Again with that vintage lace that kind of hangs over and is loose. And then we have just a pocket here with a journaling card in there. We have an up tuck here with the journaling card. Some vintage lace up here. Coffee dyed. And then here we have a belly band, and I just took the image of this butterfly, huge butterfly on one of the pages, and just cut it out. And then a journaling card there. And this again has the vintage lace down the side. Another page from the kit. I just feel like I'm all over the place, guys. I hope you guys are able to see this. Another page from the kit, onion skin paper. We have a little tuck down here with just a journaling card and a ticket, and another little journaling card. Actually, 2 tickets. Sorry about that. And then over here we have a little pocket with a journaling card. Here we have some more of that avocado dyed paper. And then here again, we just have a double pocket where I just cut out a rose, put it in there, and a journaling card in that pocket. And then we have a small journaling card up top in that pocket. Struggling, guys, I'm struggling. All right, we'll fix that later. And then that's the end of the second signature. And again, the same as the front cover. On the inside of the back cover, I just have it covered with the fabric, put down one of the pages from the kit, have my fabric here, and again, it is loose, and I just have a little stamp that says handmade by Lori at Enchanted Dream 71. So that is the end of this journal flip through. I hope you all enjoyed this journal. I do want to thank you guys again for supporting my shop the way that you have, the kindness and the love and the support. It still amazes me every day. I can't imagine myself doing anything else. So yep, if you would, just like this video, and we will just see y'all next time. Thank y'all. Bye.